Guys, so today we are gonna kill a beehive. So let's get started. Oh, and this is my friend here. Her YouTube channel is Genesis Mohe.
And it's
Gonna be in the link down below.
Description
Down below.
I'm so scared. I have done this before, but I never got stung by a bee. She has them.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm gonna try to put the beehive down here, and then when we try to put it there.
It started. Oh my god! Look at that big old bee. Look at it.
They're all little babies, I would say.
I see the mama.
The mama's not there.
How did they even make it?
Oh yes, the mom
Shouldn't
is
it be?
between the beehive? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Never. I know you guys might say, "Oh my gosh!"
God.
Don't block. Oh my gosh! You guys will say all of this. Oh my gosh! Why does she have a party? So she looks like an e-girl. I'm not an e-girl, okay? I quit TikTok, okay? I just put in this because it's really hot outside. And let me just take a break. And you know, all those boys are gonna be like, "Shut up, big fat butt." Bitch. Is this boy watching this? Oh my god. I like boys with curly hair. Oh my god. The mom is dead.
Oh, what just came by your face?
Oh my gosh.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait, what?
Okay, the mom behind us lived.
Where's the mom? Where's the mom?
She lived over there. So, we'll be looking for her.
She's probably like, my babies, my babies. Woo! You're putting the thing in the wrong space.
I know, I'm trying to. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's so annoying.
You should have done that on the intro, bro. Oh my gosh, thank God. We got the beehive on. I think it's going a little bit crazy.
Where did it go? Where did it go? It's right
I
there.
think we have to leave now. Don't run.
It's right there. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my god. Okay.
Don't put the house number.
Okay. So we're not gonna show our house number because we're not stupid. Okay. Let me get up.
Okay. Oh my god. My hand? I can't believe I did that. What should be the picture?
What?
That should be the picture. Come on, let's go take the picture.
Okay, you want me to end the video now?
No.
Okay. With what?
For the
Okay, guys, we're not gonna end the video yet.
But we're just got there just to, But I actually want to see this behind.
He fell.
That bees is right there.
Where?
Behind the behind there.
Just kill the beehive, please. You're putting it in the wrong space, you know.
I saw a bee here.
It's on. Is it going? Did you kill it? You can't kill bees, you know.
Yes, I can. I just killed the bees.
They can still sting you, though.
Yeah, but I didn't see me. So let me see. They totally lay eggs. Let me just go get some gloves and
Not gonna show the house number. Oh, look at the beautiful sky. Oh, yeah, guys, I'm not gonna show the house number. Y'all thought.
So those boys gonna be hitting me up? No. Tell them when I'm coming there, when I'm coming to get gloves, just tell them about the story about the snow.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so the other day, over here, we were just playing around over there, and we saw a big giant snake, was green and white, and we were so scared. We ran in the house to go tell, her papa, and, yeah, and he came out here to see if the snake was still there, and it wasn't. So that was the scariest moment of our lives. Like, seriously, it was right there on those boxes, if you can see it. Hold up. Can you see it? Yeah, right there on the boxes. No one wanted. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a bee. There's a bee. Sorry about that, guys. That was a bee, like literally following me, and it's still there. Look. Look, it's on my. It's on my. I'm just playing. All right. Yeah. So that was the scariest moment of our lives. Like, seriously. There was like a freaking bee over there where those bikes are. And yeah,
I'm back.
that was scary.
I know. It was me that I saw it. Oh my gosh, it was literally about to bite me. So
There was a big June like bug flying and it had a stinger. Come on, let's go.
okay, we're gonna try to get the thing.
Beehive. Whatever.
In
What?
Spanish, it's called nido de abeja. If you guys are
No house number. No house number. Okay. Not that house number either. So we're trying to look. Is there a bee on it?
No, there's a lot of eggs. They said we had to break it open and let's see the eggs. Come on, guys. Oh, we even have to bring. They said bring those so we can like open the thing.
Okay, so we're gonna bring these utensils with us. Okay, I got him. Now let's run. Let's run. No house number. No house number. Okay.
Okay, guys, zoom in into this. I think we have to go here. Yeah, we can
That
go
thing is
there. Oh my god,
so.
that's the mama. Oh
My
no.
god. Run, run,
The
run, run,
mom.
run,
They
run.
said don't run, it's gonna hurt you. That's the mom right there. It's just I don't want to like. This is the area so we can be. I have to find a blank space. Okay, zooming into this. Lisa.
Okay.
Wait. You guys
Look
can
at
see
that.
the eggs in there. A little tiny bit.
Yeah.
You guys are wondering, this is how I put a thing up. So we're gonna break to it. So we're gonna break the egg thing.
Look how disgusting that thing looks. It's not like a beehive. It looks really old.
Yeah.
So now she's just gonna cut it open.
Hopefully, the little babies don't
Like,
be dead, cause
they probably are. Gone.
the little baby.
Where?
There's a. Oh my gosh, the little baby. Ew.
Aww, it's so cute.
Can you guys not see that? Right there, that's a little baby, just right there. Hopefully, I don't kill the little baby, cause.
No offense, but you probably are.
No, I just put the thing. I think it's moving. Oh no, frick no.
No. No.
These baby bees don't know how to fly. So if
What
you
is
guys
that?
see, oh, that's an ant. If you guys see these, they're just like they just eggs and they're coming out like these. And we're still laying.
I kind of feel bad because we are hurting them.
Yeah,
Not
but
taking
still,
them.
we had to see if they're alive or not to make sure if like they're healthy and stuff. I'm not a doctor, okay?
But you probably want to. What the heck? Are these some more eggs?
No, I don't know what they are. I think it's little pieces of mud.
Or rock or something. I don't get down on my knees because I can barely even do anything. Ah, that tickles. No, 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 no.
See, I'm not killing it. I'm just being nice to it.
I hope there's no bees trapped in there and we have to run.
There's still a little bee here.
Oh, it's moving. It looks like a ladybug, actually.
I'm supposed to be coming out today. So, thank God. Oh, Daisy, look at this one. Ew. Ew, Daisy. Ew, do you see that? Show it like a little bit, not that close. Like right here, guys. Can you not see that? That's disgusting. This one is so disgusting. Daisy. Ew.
That's nasty.
So we're gonna be up in the other one. I think we should bring the chairs, Daisy.
The chairs?
I can just hold your phone.
Okay.
Okay.
Unzoom it, please. Just tell them about the beehive and stuff.
Oh yeah, I just ripped it really hard and just I just cut it off. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys know. You guys saw what I did, so yep. But this one right here. Yeah, these got the shares and so mend. Cause no, put it here, these so I can do it. Yep. Let me jump it off. These are. This is mine. Oh my gosh, it feels so not obvious. A beehive, guys, just a beehive. I'm still vlogging my feet a lot.
Look at that thing. That thing is so disgusting.
Hopefully the bee doesn't bite me, so I'm gonna put it down.
It can't bite you. It's rolled up.
No, but this one. Okay. Good.
I think you kind of killed the bee.
No, I didn't. I'm trying to help it to get out.
Isn't that another egg over there?
Yeah, that's what we're about to do.
Get off my egg.
I'd rather have tweezers than this, but this is the only thing we can do.
And we don't have tweezers, actually.
Yep. So this one's supposed to be coming out today.
I feel like that that animal controller guy that takes down beehives and puts his hand inside of them and gets bitten by bees.
I know if you guys can see, this is the bee venom. I don't know, David, you're not showing it well. Right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
I know it's a yellow thing.
I think it's probably honey, but okay.
No offense. I feel bad for them, but we have to do it. Right, David?
Yeah.
Little larvas.
Huh?
Look, I found this is our little eggs that's supposed to be growing. So they said go find something so we can.
Like what?
don't know.
I think I have a piece of paper in my purse.
Okay, great. That's
Can
actually
you hold
really
it?
good. Yeah. So this is the little larva. If I could be making an egg like those right there. Oh, so that's your dying.
I know how to open it from here, which is weird. You just gotta pull on it, it won't break. Trust me. Or you could just do this.
It's a lot of lava, so we need something. Lisa, we need a lot of more paper than that, honey.
I know. Okay, just talk about the bees, please.
Okay. So we're doing that. We're gonna let this one break through. I'm gonna let it let out by herself. Not by herself, but look at this. Look at this. Okay. Okay. Dang.
Hold up. I didn't bring the key with me, so.
I didn't have keys, so I think maybe it's that. So we're gonna be putting the little baby larvas here, which is I feel really bad for.
Oh, look
But
at it.
we're letting out your little sisters and brothers.
You guys are gonna live and be happy because we don't want to kill you. You should be lucky.
Ew, Lisa, look at this one.
I don't get it that close.
Lisa, ew, this is how the little beehive. It's
It
still
looks
yellow.
like corn. That's disgusting.
So we're gonna be putting this one in. Ew, I think it's pooping where the egg is still like not hatched. But yeah. I'm scared to let this one go. But like not all of these. So first let's let this little beehive go because I think this beehive is ready. So
I can't see.
it is ready.
Oh my God.
It is ready. Lisa, get it close up. Lisa, get it close up. Right there. Or do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, that one's ready to go out.